There are several stuttering modification techniques and fluency shaping techniques that we can practice to help improve and control fluency and to allow for easier stuttering. It can take some trial and error to determine what techniques will be most comfortable and easiest for you to use. Let's try some of these techniques.
Okay, the first stuttering modification technique we are going to learn is called the bounce. When you recognize tension in your speech, you can use a bounce to get out of the word. The bounce is a very controlled repetition. You will bounce twice before producing the word. For example, if you want to say the word ball, you could say ball.
Ball.
Great. The next stuttering modification technique we will use is called the slide. Like the bounce, you can use a slide when you recognize tension and you want to get out of the word. It's very controlled. For example, if you want to say the word car, you would say car. Great. The next stuttering modification technique we will use is called a cancellation. Cancellations focus on the moment of stuttering after it has occurred. After you stutter on a word, you will repeat the word again with less tension. The repetition does not need to be fluent, but it should have less tension. For example, I want pizza.
I want pizza.
I want pizza. Great.
The next technique we're going to practice is the pull-out. Pull-outs focus on the moment of stuttering while it is occurring. So if you are in the middle of a tense stutter, you decrease tension as you ease out of the word. So for example, you could say, I want a puppy.
I want a puppy.
Nice work.
I want a puppy.
Great. Let's move on to the next one. The next technique we're going to practice is the preparatory set. Preparatory sets focus on the moment of stuttering before it occurs. This is used when you anticipate that a word may be challenging and that you may stutter. To use this technique, you start the word with an easy start. Your whole speech musculature should be very relaxed, and this will help to say the word in a more relaxed manner. So if we anticipate that we're going to stutter on the word puppy, we could say, I want a puppy.
I want a puppy. I want a puppy.
Great job.
Next, we'll go over 3 fluency shaping techniques. We'll start with easy onsets. Easy onsets are similar to the slide we already learned. With the easy onset, we're making changes at the level of phonation. An easy onset can be used on any word in the sentence. To use this technique, you start the word in an easy, less tense, prolonged manner. So if we anticipate that we'll stutter on the word I in I want pizza, you could say I want pizza.
I want pizza.
I want pizza.
The next technique is light articulatory contacts, and this helps you make changes at the level of articulation. To use this technique, you will slowly and gently bring the articulators together to reduce pressure. So if we anticipate that we'll stutter on the word pizza, we could start with I want to eat pizza versus I want to eat pizza.
I want to eat pizza.
I want to eat pizza.
Good job. Finally, we can reduce the speech rate, and this involves respiration, phonation, and articulation. This technique involves speaking at a reduced rate, but not too slow that it sounds unnatural. More pauses can be added into speech in natural places. The words themselves may be stretched out as well. So let's practice with this sentence. My favorite color is purple. I have 2 purple shirts.
My favorite color is purple. I have 2 purple shirts.
My favorite color is purple. I have 2 purple shirts.
Good job. And that brings our lesson on stuttering modification and fluency techniques to an end.